Hello guys, welcome to my educational channel. You are watching M.Shakeel Sahir. Today our topic is type of mechanical waves. In this topic we will discuss about longitudinal wave, compression and refraction, wavelength, transverse wave and crest and trough. If you are new in our channel then please subscribe and press bell icon. Longitudinal waves can be produced on a spring placed on a smooth floor or a long bench. Fix one end of the slinky with a rigid support and hold the other end into your hand. Now give it a regular push and pull quickly in the direction of its length as shown in figure. In longitudinal waves the particles of the medium move back and forth along the direction of propagation of wave. Now we will discuss about compression, where the loops of the spring are close together are called compression. What is meant by rarefaction, where the loops are spaced apart are known as rarefaction. Now we will discuss about wavelength. The distance between two consecutive compressions is called wavelength. In given picture you can see the wavelength. If you are new in our channel then please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. We can produce transverse waves with the help of a slinky. Stretch out a slinky along a smooth floor with one end fixed, grasp the other end of the slinky and move it up and down quickly as shown in figure. We can define transverse wave as the vibratory motion of particles of the medium is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of waves. Now we will discuss about crest and trough. The crests are the highest points while the troughs are the lowest points of the particles of the medium from the mean position. Here is another term wavelength. The distance between two consecutive crests or troughs is called wavelength. Thanks for watching. Keep watching for more interesting videos.